I told my son you're a princess daughter. And pilot.
Cool. You know how to fly a plane? That's awesome. Oh man.
My number 4. It's a mama's boy. But when she got a girlfriend, forget about me.
Now? Definitely?